Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a completely black screen on your Thermomix TM5, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty potentiometer, which can prevent the device from functioning properly. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, making your beloved kitchen companion unusable. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement potentiometer, and some tweezers. First, make sure your Thermomix is unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the back panel and carefully remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Be gentle to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover with a flathead screwdriver, starting from one corner and working your way around. Inside, locate the potentiometer, which is typically situated near the control panel. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it properly. Take note of how the cables are connected, as you will need to reconnect them later. Using your tweezers, carefully detach the faulty potentiometer from its connector. Ensure you apply even pressure to avoid damaging nearby components. Now, take your new potentiometer and firmly attach it to the connector, making sure it is seated properly. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are secure. With the new component in place, it's time to close up the device. Align the back cover carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws and tighten them just enough to secure the cover, but be cautious not to over-tighten them. Now, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to check if the screen lights up. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure that you keep your Thermomix in a dry environment and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance can also help keep the device functioning smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.